Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to connect Zapier to WhatsApp. If you're interested in integrating the Zapier with your WhatsApp account so you can manage your messages or other stuff, so I'll show you in this video. First, you have to open the Zapier and sign up with your account. Once you have signed up, on the left side you can see we have a few options. So what you have to do is just simply put the cursor here and then you will see this option for app connection. You have to click onto this one and then it will just take a while and will get you to this page. Now what you have to do is you have to click on add new connection, then you will get this search bar. There you have to search for WhatsApp. As we search for the WhatsApp, then this option will come up, which is WhatsApp notification. We don't have any option through which we can do it. So in that case, we have to simply create the connection. So this page will open, and now what you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number here, and after that it will send a notification to your WhatsApp number and then it will get connected, but now the work has not done yet. Once you have done it, simply get back and click onto this connect option, which is in the orange. As you tap onto it, then it will just take a while and then you have to click onto this option, which is the zaps. Now it will take you to the page. Now here we have two options, the trigger and the action. In the trigger you have to click onto it and then you have to search from the options that will be there, which is the webworks. If you can find it on the page, that's good, you can click onto it. Otherwise you can also search for it and it will be added like this. Now click onto this action option and there you have to select this one, which is the WhatsApp, and now it will be added. Now if you have added multiple WhatsApp, then you can choose which one you would like to add. There will be different ones and you can also select the option for the messages. So once you do so, and then you will have to connect both of them, and that's how your Zapier will be connected to the WhatsApp. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.